chance of snow showers. Lows around 30. Saturday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 30s. Then temperatures falling into the lower 30s by evening.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KVV-81 Lockport. Severe weather in the current or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tone for Cook, Lake, DuPage, Will, Kane, Kendall, Kankakee and Grundy counties in Illinois, as well as Lake County in Indiana. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 11:09 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Remains in effect for the
Holy crap! There's the thunder! Let's listen.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Grundy County in northeast Illinois, southeastern Kane County in northeast Illinois, Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 11:30 a.m. At 11:05 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sandwich to Sheridan to Serena to Naplate and moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sugar Grove and Bolingbrook around 11:15 a.m. North Aurora and Darien around 11:20 a.m. Woodridge and Winfield around 11:25 a.m. Carroll Stream and Wheaton around 11:30 a.m. Other locations in the warning include Boulder Hill, Willowbrook, Glendale Heights and Glenbard South. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.
NOAA's Weather Radio